How to fix Instagram login error. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is double check your credentials. Make sure the username, email address, or the phone number and the password is correct. Check for extra spaces or caps lock. If in doubt, tap forget password and reset it. Next, check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings app. Click on the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next thing you want to do is update your Instagram app. To do that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this solution, your problem might be fixed. You might be able to log into your Instagram account. If still you are having the issue, you can check for the outages. Check the Instagram server. For that, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the Spin website, Town Detector, and search for Instagram. If there are any outages in the server of Instagram, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. If the solution didn't work for you, you can completely delete Instagram app from your device and again reinstall it. For that, close this. Press and hold on the Instagram app, select Remove App, click on Delete App and click on Delete. Then navigate to the Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. Likewise, use a different phone or log in from a browser like Chrome or Safari. Sometimes the issue is with your device, not your account. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can fix Instagram login error. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.